Wait, West Virginia, man, you make a whole lot of good up here. Making a whole lot of good up here around Massachusetts. 473 reading the mail.
Alright, 410 on that. 473. Hey, 473, see you some flowers, please. You sound good down here in central West Virginia. Big Jagger said that.
Well, Big Jagger, man, you get them all dropped down, no doubt, man. You're in the strawberry field up here on Cape Cod. No doubt about it, got them all dropped down. 473 Cape Cod, working this Cobra 2000, reading the mail.
Alright, 473. Yeah, we used to live up around there. We used to live up around there, 473. What's that? How we know, man? What was that? What was that? How we know, man? 51? Oh, see, how we know, man? 51 around Nashville, Tennessee with the way.
All right, man, these duck pluckers are making it tough to hear you, man. I heard you say you live down here somewhere. I'm about 52 miles south of Boston. It's kind of where a little small town around Fall River. Lizzie Bordentown, Lizzie Bordentown. That's where I'm located. 473 Cape Cod, reading the mail.